Welcome to this video on managing DNS and DHCP services. In this video, we will discuss the basics of DNS and DHCP services, their importance in network management, and how to manage them effectively. DNS, or Domain Name System, is a hierarchical naming system that translates domain names into IP addresses. It allows users to access websites and other resources on the internet using easy-to-remember domain names instead of complex IP addresses. DHCP, or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, is a network management protocol that automatically assigns IP addresses and other network configuration parameters to devices on a network. It simplifies network administration by eliminating the need for manual IP address assignment. Both DNS and DHCP services are critical components of network infrastructure, and their proper management is essential for maintaining network performance, security, and reliability. In the next segment, we will discuss the benefits of managing DNS and DHCP services effectively. Effective management of DNS and DHCP services offers several benefits to network administrators. Let's take a look at some of these benefits. 1. Improved network performance. DNS and DHCP services play a crucial role in network performance. By managing these services effectively, administrators can ensure that devices on the network are assigned the appropriate IP addresses and that DNS queries are resolved quickly and accurately. This results in faster network performance and better user experience. 2. Enhanced network security. DNS and DHCP services are also important for network security. By managing these services effectively, administrators can prevent unauthorized access to the network and protect against DNS-based attacks such as DNS spoofing and DNS cache poisoning. 3. Simplified network administration. Effective management of DNS and DHCP services can simplify network administration by automating IP address assignment and DNS resolution. This reduces the workload on network administrators and allows them to focus on other critical tasks. 4. Increased network reliability. DNS and DHCP services are critical components of network infrastructure. By managing these services effectively, administrators can ensure that the network is always available and reliable, reducing downtime and improving overall network performance. In the next segment, we will discuss the best practices for managing DNS and DHCP services. Effective management of DNS and DHCP services requires following best practices. Here are some of the best practices for managing DNS and DHCP services. 1. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance of DNS and DHCP servers is essential for ensuring their proper functioning. This includes monitoring server performance, checking for updates, and performing routine backups. 2. Proper configuration. Proper configuration of DNS and DHCP servers is crucial for their effective management. This includes setting up appropriate DNS zones, configuring DHCP scopes, and assigning IP addresses to devices on the network. 3. Security measures. DNS and DHCP servers are vulnerable to security threats such as DNS spoofing and DHCP rogue servers. Implementing security measures such as DNSSEC and DHCP snooping can help prevent these threats. 4. Monitoring and logging. Monitoring and logging of DNS and DHCP services can help administrators identify and troubleshoot issues quickly. This includes monitoring DNS queries, DHCP leases, and server logs. 5. Documentation. Proper documentation of DNS and DHCP configurations and procedures is essential for effective management. This includes documenting IP address assignments, DNS zone configurations, and DHCP scopes. By following these best practices, administrators can ensure that DNS and DHCP services are managed effectively, resulting in improved network performance, security, and reliability. In the next segment, we will discuss the tools and technologies used for managing DNS and DHCP services. Managing DNS and DHCP services requires the use of various tools and technologies. Here are some of the tools and technologies used for managing DNS and DHCP services. 1. DNS management tools. DNS management tools such as Bind, Microsoft DNS, and Power DNS are used for managing DNS servers. These tools allow administrators to configure DNS zones, manage DNS records, and monitor DNS queries. 2. DHCP management tools. DHCP management tools such as Microsoft DHCP, ISDHCP, and Key DHCP are used for managing DHCP servers. These tools allow administrators to configure DHCP scopes, manage DHCP leases, and monitor DHCP server performance. 3. Network monitoring tools. Network monitoring tools such as Nagios, Zabbix, and PRTG are used for monitoring DNS and DHCP services. These tools allow administrators to monitor server performance, track DNS queries, and identify DHCP lease issues. 4. Security tools. Security tools such as DNSSEC and DHCP snooping are used for securing DNS and DHCP services. DNSSEC is used for securing DNS queries, while DHCP snooping is used for preventing DHCP rogue servers. 5. Automation tools. Automation tools such as Ansible, Puppet, and Chef are used for automating DNS and DHCP management tasks. These tools allow administrators to automate server configuration, DNS SYN updates, and DHCP scope management. By using these tools and technologies, administrators can manage DNS and DHCP services effectively, resulting in improved network performance, security, and reliability. In the final segment, we will summarize the key points discussed in this video. In this video, we discussed the basics of DNS and DHCP services, their importance in network management, and how to manage them effectively. We also discussed the benefits of effective DNS and DHCP management, best practices for managing DNS and DHCP services, and the tools and technologies used for managing DNS and DHCP services. To summarize, effective management of DNS and DHCP services is essential for maintaining network performance, security, and reliability. By following best practices and using the right tools and technologies, administrators can ensure that DNS and DHCP services are managed effectively, resulting in improved network performance, security, and reliability. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Thank you for watching.